Citizens and residents of the Federation of St. Christopher and Nevis and further afield, good day. The purpose of this exercise is to issue my first press release of 2025 from the Director of Public Prosecutions Office of St. Kitts and Nevis. The press release is entitled, Director of Public Prosecutions announces charges against Crown Counsel Prosecutor. The Director of Public Prosecutions Office, DPPO, announces with profound regret that charges have been brought against one of its Crown Counsel prosecutors, Miss Shantrice Dorset, by the Royal St. Christopher and Nevis Police Force. The charges stem from the tragic murder of Mr. Akeem Archibald, a young man who was fatally shot with a high-powered semi-automatic rifle on July 20th, 2024. In the aftermath of this incident, the prime suspect, Mr. Kieran Phillip, also known as Tall-Up, hereafter referred to as the fugitive, fled the Federation by sea and remains at large. Following an extensive police investigation into the murder and efforts to apprehend the fugitive, Ms. Shantrice Dorset has been formally charged with the following offenses. 1. Accessory after the fact to murder. 2. Attempting to pervert the course of justice by assisting the fugitive in fleeing the Federation to shield him from a murder investigation. 3. Attempting to pervert the course of justice by assisting the fugitive in fleeing the Federation to shield him from an unlawful possession of firearm investigation. 4. Attempting to pervert the course of justice, assisting the fugitive in fleeing the Federation to shield him from a trial for the attempted murder of a person in an unrelated matter. 5. Misconduct in public office, advising and counseling the fugitive based on her knowledge as a prosecutor to assist him in evading the police. 6. Corruption, trying to use her influence as a prosecutor to get the firearm used in the murder surrendered under an amnesty program. It is also noteworthy that charges relating to the possession of the high-powered automatic rifle believed to have been used in this crime have been previously laid against the fugitive's close relative, one Mr. B.J. Tuckett, who is currently awaiting trial on remand. The DPP emphasizes that in accordance with the principles of justice, Ms. Dorset is presumed innocent until proven guilty. It remains the Director of Public Prosecutions Office duty to uphold the integrity of the judicial process and ensure that Ms. Dorset is afforded her constitutional right to a fair trial. The Director of Public Prosecutions Office also urges the general public to act with maturity and refrain, I repeat, refrain from speculating about this case based on rumors or publishing inaccurate information that could prejudice the fair trial of these charges. Inappropriate comments or speculation on social media or other public platforms could interfere with the ongoing investigation, undermine the fairness of the judicial process, and it could result in legal consequences. Examples of inappropriate comments include accusations or assumptions of guilt, statements that suggest or reveal confidential details of the investigation, speculation about the evidence or the motives in this case. The Director of Public Prosecutions Office will not hesitate to take firm action against anyone who seeks to interfere with the administration of justice through such conduct. Despite best efforts to contain information related to this sensitive case, leaks touching on the investigation have been noted. Any law enforcement officer found leaking information will face severe disciplinary and legal consequences. The DPPO reiterates its commitment to making an example of those who undermine the sanctity of the justice system by engaging in such unethical practices. The DPPO further reaffirms its unwavering commitment to the rule of law and the pursuit of justice, irrespective of the parties involved. Further updates will be provided to the public as this case progresses. Here ends my press release, and I just want to remind the good citizens of the Federation of St. Christopher and Nevis, our national motto is country above self. If you want to assist in this investigation, send the information to the right channels, not on social media. Thank you very much.